Hi, I'm Tony Stewart, the creator of the Get Ready Financial First Aid Kit. Have you ever spent time looking for financial documents when applying for a loan or after someone falls ill? Well, the Get Ready Financial First Aid Kit is an all-in-one financial organizer solution that helps you inventory and house all of your most important financial documents, insurance policies, wills, logins, passwords, and more. With all of this information right at your fingertips, you'll be prepared when it comes to filing taxes, applying for a loan, or recovering from an emergency. Teach your family to use it, and they will be able to carry out your last wishes without any added stress. Get Ready takes you step by step through each area of your financial life, providing tips and notes to guide you. It includes a financial calendar supplement to help you stay financially prepared. Think of it like a diet. The trick is to keep your weight off, and your financial life is the same thing. The trick is to continue to successfully manage your finances in the future. Please consider supporting my campaign today and get your copy of the Get Ready Financial First Aid Kit. Stay healthy, stay organized, and thank you for watching.